now see here. So this is actually the confusion matrix. So out of the what is it? It is taking 18 epochs, and then after 18 epochs, the validation gets stopped. And if you see here, this is the diagonal values will tells you the number of correct classification, and other diagonal values tells you the misclassification. Okay, so here you can give your own data set. Okay, so this is just the I have taken the samples that are being available, the data set that are available here. If you want, you can import, you can upload your own data set, and you can fix the number of hidden layers, and then you can vary the, and it's not that if you take this pattern net, it's a feed forward network, but we don't have only feed forward, we have feedback network, and then back propagation network, and all those things are available here. So you can customize it, and then you can use it for your own application. Okay, and this is how, this is after giving an start automatically. If you don't want to go for coding and a command abdina, directly you can fix everything in that neural network toolbox, and then automatically that link will open it and then run it. Okay, I think I have given you just an introduction about what is neural network, and then how to use a neural network toolbox in MATLAB. Okay, and if you are really interested, you can approach us as any time, and then you can get clarified your doubts. Okay, and this is only one toolbox what I have taken, but apart from this, you have so many toolboxes that are available in MATLAB: image processing toolbox, statistical machine learning toolbox, deep learning toolbox. So for so many toolboxes are there: control system toolbox, communication toolbox, and few of the toolboxes are available at free of cost, and few you have to pay it, and then you have to get that toolbox for your particular application. Okay, and as madam said, this MATLAB is very user friendly. Okay, so nowadays that for hope of the students, they have a crush on Python. So I don't say that Python is not that much significant. I'll say that Python as well as MATLAB both will have an equal weightage. So it's not that you can do now coding only using Python. You can also do coding using MATLAB, because its MATLAB is user friendly, where you will get clarified the different functions what are available in that MATLAB with the simple examples and with simple codes. So you can explore the different toolboxes that is available in MATLAB, and then you can get used up to that different toolboxes. Okay, I think it's time up. Thank you all. Thank you for your patient listening, and hope I have given you some introduction about the toolbox, neural network toolbox being used in MATLAB, and what is a neural network is. Actually, plan for some mathematical calculations, and then proving how it works in that for MATLAB, with the MATLAB code. But because of time constraint, I'm not able to tell you that mathematical calculations, because everything in neural network is mathematical calculation. Okay, and this updation of weights, and then training the network, and what's it, and everything is mathematical orientation. Okay, once if you're very strong in mathematics, definitely you can come out with some flying outputs. Thank you all. Thank you for your patience listening. I think I have taken your so much of time. Okay, and I'll stop here. Okay, and if time permits, let me just show you a tutorial on how a neural network was, how to train it, and then how to give your own data set into the network, and how to make that network to be trained, and then to test the output. Thank you all. Thank you for your patience listening. And if there is any queries, you can post the queries in the chat box, or you can unmute and then you can ask me. Otherwise, you can just mail to me that address kalyani@svc.ac.in. As madam said, most of us are doing active research in this image processing and signal processing using MATLAB and using Python. So you are always welcome to get your queries clear.